Welcome to this detailed walkthrough on how to use presenter notes during your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this guide, we will explain how to open PowerPoint, locate your specific presentation, navigate to the proper settings, and enable the user presenter view so that you can deliver your presentation confidently with helpful notes at your disposal. Begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. It is important to make sure the application loads completely before proceeding. When you first open the program, you may be greeted by a start screen offering a variety of templates and recent files. For this tutorial, you should select the option to work with a presentation that you have already created or one that you intend to use for your upcoming presentation. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to open your presentation. Navigate to the file that you plan to present. This could be a presentation you have been preparing or one that you may have received from a colleague in the past. If you are working with a saved file, locate it either by scrolling through the recent files list or using the file menu to open it from your computer's storage. Opening your presentation allows you to verify that all images, text, and any other embedded elements are displaying correctly, ensuring that your audience receives the full intended experience. After successfully opening your presentation, the next phase in this process is to access the slideshow settings. To do this, locate the slideshow option in the menu or ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint interface. Moving to this section of the program is a crucial step because it houses additional features designed to enhance your presentation delivery. The slideshow settings provide choices for how your slides are displayed while you conduct your presentation, including options for slide transitions and display settings that can be customized according to your needs. Within the slideshow settings, look for the setting labeled User Presenter View. This feature is especially useful for those who want to see their speaker or presenter notes while the audience only views the final slides. Enabling User Presenter View ensures that you have access to a private display that shows both the current slide and your notes. This setup helps keep you on track and provides reminders on key points without cluttering the view seen by your audience. When you find the option for User Presenter View, be sure to check the box next to it. Once checked, your presentation is configured to display your notes on your screen when you run the slideshow. This setting is ideal if you rely on note cues to maintain a smooth flow during your presentation. By following these clear and simple instructions, you can prepare your presentation to run with speaker or presenter notes, allowing you to deliver your message with confidence and clarity. Enjoy your presentation and the enhanced control that User Presenter View provides.